Assistant Public Defender Joseph Harding and Mr. Romero Pascal.
Okay, I also have 26L2925292. Can you please? I don't know why the interpreters have been doing that. The court rule does require you to interpret on the record, actually. Out loud. Okay. You raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you're going to interpret the matter completely and accurately and not divulge confidential communication? Thank you. Okay, these two. Am I missing a file? Because it says. Are they stapled together?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I also have 26L2925293. This. Can you hear her? You have to interpret so that we can hear it on the record. That's per court rule. I don't know. This has been consistent. All the interpreters have been whispering. The court rule requires you to interpret so that it can be heard in case she later appeals and says she didn't get proper interpretation.
I understand you. Honor.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is a civil infraction. No insurance. There's an expired license. And then an improper plate. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, the city's standard licensing offer has been extended as well as for the plate and insurance. However, I believe she'll be pleading guilty according to further counsel.
That is accurate, Your Honor. Just due to some issues with immigration status, we believe that her being able to become a licensed driver is not feasible at this time. As such, she'll be pleading to the driving while license is expired and the improper plate.
She can't get a license because of immigration status.
My understanding is that she is sort of been hanging in limbo right now, and that she's not sure if she will be able to get a license in 6 months.
So you got to stop to let the interpreter interpret.
May I make a correction?
Yes.
From here.
Yes.
The correction is at this moment, she tried actually to renew the license, but the Secretary of State, without the papers for permanent residency, which are pending and could take a year, she cannot renew the license. So at this point, she says, I'm responsible because I don't know when I'm gonna have the residency papers.
Okay, so
That's
you have,
what she's pending.
she has pending residency paper. We just don't know how long it's going to take.
That's correct.
Okay. And do we know the impact on her ability to get her license if she pleads guilty? Once she gets the residency paperwork.
Don't have information on that at this time.
Oh, well, then you can't advise her to plead then, because you didn't, you got to find out if that's going to have an impact. I'll set it out so you can research that.
I understand, Your Honor, and my counsel was for to get more time.
Yeah, did you explain that it could potentially impact your ability to get her license even after she gets the paperwork? You just don't know yet? You have to research it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that?
She understood.
Okay, and so, and with that understanding, you still want to plead responsible or plead guilty, or do you want time for him to see if it will impact your license if you plead?
No poder tener los papeles de residencia para que tenga licencia. Y eso no lo investigó. Además de eso, se está preguntando quién Sí, entendiendo eso, que quiero saber cuál es el impacto en el futuro, ustedes dos miembros se consiguen. Your Honor, at this point, she's telling me, I am not planning on driving. I don't have the car. The car was transferred. So I am not planning on getting a license at this time.
Just as my understanding, Your Honor, and all that being said, I believe that her intention would still be to enter a plea today, Your Honor.
To plead guilty to everything? Is that what we're doing?
Yes, it's my understanding that without valid proofs that the offer is no offer.
Yes, I get all of that. I'm asking, is she gonna plead? It's because there's no valid proofs, doesn't mean she automatically waives her right. So she pleading to all of them.
I explained that she has a right to a jury trial in this, and my conversations, she would like to waive that.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm? I can't hear you. I can't hear the interpretation. Can you say it louder, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll tell the truth and the whole truth under penalty of perjury?
Para considerarse no ser culpable.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You understand your right to have a trial and the expired license and the improper plate? Okay, and you understand that you can maintain your innocence and require the city prove you guilty. You have the right to be silent and they can't use it against you. You have the right to question any witness that they call to testify against you. And the right to call witnesses that will testify on your behalf. You want to waive each of those rights? Anyone threatening you to do that? Any promises to get you to waive those rights? And are you pleading guilty because you believe you are guilty? As to the improper plate, how do you plead?
Yes.
You plead guilty or not guilty? And as to the expired license, how do you plead? As to the no insurance, that is a civil infraction, so you don't have to plead guilty. You would either accept responsibility or not accept responsibility. How do you plead on that?
Yes.
Responsible, you're pleading responsible?
Responsible.
Factual basis, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. So, Ms. Romero Pascual, is it true that on March 27, 2026, you were driving at or around the corner of North Martin and Kalamazoo? And that was within the city of Lansing? Within the county of Ingham, within the state of Michigan?
En el condado de Ingham, en el estado de Michigan. Yes.
And is it true that at this point that you were pulled over?
Y en ese momento la detuvieron. Yes.
Is it true that when the officer, is it true that you were unable to provide an unexpired license or a proper license plate to the officer?
Y en ese momento el oficial le pidió la licencia y dio las placas y pidieron que fuera vencido.
And are you pleading guilty because you believe you are guilty?
Y se considera culpable porque usted es culpable.
The city satisfied, Your Honor.
I'll accept your plea. I find your plea to be freely, voluntarily, and intelligently made.
Aceptar la culpabilidad que puede ser presente.
Your fine for the improper plate is $205. Your fine for no insurance is $150. Your fine for expired license, $175. Are you paying that today?
Pagando solo. Está preguntando. She's asking for payments, John.
How is she gonna pay it?
¿Cómo lo va a pagar? ¿Cómo lo quiere pagar? Sí, pero ¿cómo lo quiere pagar? ¿En cuánto tiempo? So your she's asking to pay it in 2 months. If she can.
You're gonna pay in full in 2 months?
Si lo va a pagar completo a los 2 meses, lo quiere pagar por. She would like to do payments.
Okay, is she employed?
No adicional.
Okay, how does she support herself?
¿Cómo tiene se mantiene ese nivel? Pero ¿cómo se mantiene?
Me pagan los biles, me los pagan. Yo no quiero
Y eso es pago.
donde yo vivo. Ahí pagan los biles. Ya los biles están cubiertos.
Okay, she's actually receiving some type of donación. ¿Quién paga?
No, en la casa que vivo ya pagan los biles, trabajan. En la casa que yo estoy viviendo.
¿Quiénes pagan los bills?
Una amistad mía.
Okay, so there are some friends who are actually supporting her at this moment.
She's gonna pay $100 within 30 days. And she'll pay $100 per month until paid in full.
Y tiene que pagar $100 cada mes. Dice que bien. Hasta que lo pague por completo.
She pays at the criminal traffic window, which is right out there to your right.
Y entonces cuando salgamos, aquí hay una cajera que puede dar, sí.
Or she can pay online using her case numbers.
También puede pagar en línea. Siempre tiene un número de su caso.
You have any questions?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta?
Any additional matters for the record?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
No, nada que ver.
No, Your Honor.
You're all set?